Hey everyone, I'm Cherie, independent designer with Couture. I'm showing you right here our new ink mat, which has adhesive on one side, a sticky mat so that your material can stick and smooth out. It also acts as a barrier for bleed through, say if you're doing pillowcases, you don't want to get it to the other side. Now I purchased a couple of placemats that I want to decorate for Easter. So I'm using the bunny and I'm building it. And here I'm using our white ink. And then after it dried, then I put the second layer on. And I'm going to do that with pink, but I do not have pink ink. So I do have white and I have red, so I mixed them together to get my pink, which you can do. And then Spring in the Air, I decided to use their gold metallic ink, which is beautiful. It's like glitter without the mess. Although I don't think it stood out too well, so I'll show you at the end of the video what I did. And then of course you got to have the little paw, I guess you call it paw prints, hopping along to where he is on the end. Now here's where I took Midnight, I think it's Midnight Sky. It's like a dark blue. And I did it a little bit to the right and a little down. It kind of created a shadow effect. Happy Easter, everyone, and happy spring.